How to change currency in Alibaba. Want to see prices in your own currency? This guide shows you how to change the currency on Alibaba so you can see prices in your own currency. First, go to the Alibaba website or app. You'll see a small currency icon in the top of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see a lot of currencies that you can choose from. Click on currency. This is a very useful feature that will help you compare prices and make a good decision. Changing the currency can help you save money and avoid any hidden fees. It will also help you budget your money better. It is a very simple and very useful feature that you should use when you're buying something on Alibaba. You now know how to change currency on Alibaba. Get ready to save money. Like and subscribe for more business tips.